the line there. All right, steady as she goes.
Go.
Secure the starboard bow line. The marine growth is heavier here. Note the corrosion near the waterline. Roger that, I'll update the schematics. Reading is good. Mark it with a circle. Moving over. Square for this one. And a triangle here. All right, mark this section here. Yep, got it. Taking a photo now.
Yeah.
Good, this blasting looks clean. Copy that, updating the clipboard. Cuts clear, slow lift, moving it right, tagline's ready. Coming down now, easy does it. Plates secured, release the lines.
Readings are perfect. Verified.
Good to go.
Begin welding.
Green light on the main weld.
Okay.
Copy that. Add a check mark next to the third line. Scanning the upper corner now. Reading looks good. All right, moving to the next section. Line 1, tension it.
Copy.
Copy. Slow rise. Watch the plate. Hold. Slow down. Down. Left. Ease it in. Hold right there.
Stop.
Perfect. Take the tension. All right, just a little more. Hold it there. Looks good. Checking the level.
Perfect.
Perfect. Good. Lock it down.
Verified.
Verified. Looks good. Ready for the main weld now.
Keep the temperature steady, adjust your rhythm. Copy that, moving to the lower left. Watch for heat buildup on the edges.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Clearance is tight here. Check the gas. The distortion here is minimal. Okay, I've logged it. Let's move to the next section.
Set the exclusion zone.
Lifting the plate.
Clear the area.
Keep it steady. Down a little.
Hold there.
Hold there. Check the alignment. Slow and easy. Okay, set it.
Distortion checked, looking good. Copy that. Moving up to secure this frame. Fire watch, keep an eye out. Secure the forward clamp.
Clamp secured.
Initiate welding on the aft section.
Welding commenced.
Status on the next stiffener? Secure the heavy panels. We'll use the chain block here.
Copy that. Be careful with that section.
Grab the pneumatic tools. We're ready to start disassembly.
Engaging the hoist. Clear the exclusion zone. Slow and steady. Watching it. That's good. Clearance on number 3 journal is within spec. Okay, logged. Check the cylinder liner on 4. Keep it steady. Guide it down. Easy. Torque it to spec. We're on sequence. Check the alignment on this one. Keep it steady. Down a little more. Right there, hold it. Looks good. Start tightening. Hold the position. Checking alignment. Slow forward. Stop. Adjust right, 6 inches. Locking in. Keep a steady pace. Got it. Pulling now. Watch the guide. Clear. Clear. Perfect. We're through. Keep the pressure consistent. Uniform coverage, moving down. Masking is off, looks good.